Welcome to Toolsquary, where we help you find the best tools for the job. Today, we're talking about the best safety glasses for woodworking. Woodworking can be a dangerous hobby if you don't take proper safety. In this video, we'll review the top 6 best safety glasses for woodworking, based on factors such as comfort, protection, and price. We'll also give you some tips on how to choose the right safety glasses for your needs. So whether you're a beginner woodworker or a seasoned pro, be sure to watch this video to learn about the best safety glasses for woodworking. Number 1. Dewalt DPG54-1D Protective Safety Glasses. These safety glasses have a robust polycarbonate lens, offering exceptional impact resistance. One of the standout features is the rubber tip temples, which provide a secure and comfortable fit. It minimizes eye fatigue, making these safety glasses perfect for extended use. Weighing less than 1 ounce, these safety glasses offer all-day comfort. Number 2. 3M Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. The 3M Anti-Fog Safety Glasses come with a foam gasket that not only provides a comfortable fit, but also helps limit eye exposure to nuisance dust and other particles. This means you can work without worrying about irritating particles getting into your eyes. One of the standout features here is the anti-fog lens coating. Number 3. MAGID Y50BKFC Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. These black-framed safety glasses combine classic style with unbeatable performance. One standout feature of these safety glasses is the clear side shields. They preserve your peripheral vision while adding an extra layer of protection against splashes and debris. The lightweight nylon frame is incredibly comfortable to wear, promoting worker compliance. Number 4. SolidWork SW8301 Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. One of the standout features of the SW8301 is its soft rubber sealing, which molds perfectly to the shape of your face. This ensures eye protection from all sides, and it's incredibly comfortable. The smartly aligned ventilation slots, covered by the lens, not only provide good airflow, but also prevent flying particles from sneaking inside. You can confidently wear these in various environments, knowing your eyes are well protected. Number 5. Pyramex S2580s Safety Glasses. The Pyramex S2580s safety glasses are designed to give you a wide, panoramic view of your surroundings. The soft, non-slip rubber temple tips provide a snug yet non-binding fit. No more annoying adjustments or slipping glasses while you're trying to focus on your task. These glasses stay put, so you can keep your attention where it matters. You can toss them in your toolbox. Wear them in challenging environments, and these glasses will still look crystal clear. Number 6. NoCry EyeArmor Plus Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. One of the standout features of these safety glasses is their robust polycarbonate wraparound construction. It offers superior eye protection, shielding you from both direct and peripheral threats. With extendable arms and an adjustable soft nose pad, you'll always find the perfect fit. It's 5 times more fog resistant and 2 times more scratch resistant than many other options. Thanks for watching this video on the best safety glasses for woodworking. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, safety glasses are an essential piece of safety gear for any woodworker. So if you don't already have a pair, be sure to pick one up today. And don't forget to subscribe to Toolsquary for more woodworking tips and tricks.